Today I have installed the OBS Studio. When I start recording, it says it looks like you haven't added any video source yet, so you will only outputting a blank screen. Are you sure you want to do this? It's like no. To add a monitor, you need to right click on the sources and select add sources and select display capture, create new and select OK. Capture method, set the automatic in display, select the monitor and set OK. And now it will capture your display. Now you can able to start recording. My audio is also recording in here. It's 4 seconds recorded. Show you guys 1, 2, 3, go. Stop recording. And now go to the default OBS save location. Go to video. Here it saves and it's record successful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.